Ni mwihoko wakwa wina thayo mwiroreri wa KIHEOTV na wigutindie o wega muthenya uyu wa gatano wa mweri wa 11 ngakihoka ni watindie o thayo gakunyita ugeni na mwokomere gukwamukira thiini wa mutamburuko wa Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe tukoro tugikumenyithia maria makinyite thiini wa metha itu ya muhoro hoini wa umuthi ni njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani na kimutwathiriri na njira ciiko tagwo wa Bui wa Gaku na tukiambiriria thiini wa riboti itu ya mbere ni ati thirikari ni uritie honge ciothe cia thirikari na mawabici kuhimbiria uhuthiri wa technology hari uigi wa rekodi akiaria thiini wa kigomano gia Karma mucini wa Mombatha munene wa aruti wira a muingi Felix Kosgei augite ati uhuthiri wa technology ni kuhuthia maundu na njira nene na ati gutigirira maundu ma thirikari kumana na mitino iria yanaumira ni yagitirwo ta miaki gucina mawabici na thirikari gukorwo ikikuria indo cia bata cigitwo.
We want to see partnership between yourselves with ICT professionals. You need to work very closely. We want to see you coming out, stepping forward and having partnership with policymakers. They need to understand you. You need to influence their policy decisions because out of the policies is where you can gain professionally. We want to see partnership with the entire governance system. We want to see innovation from you so that you become overt. You need to be the source of innovation. You need to be the ones who are positioning transformation within your profession.
Digitization means we are moving from paper to digital, and smart government is about digital management of information. And now for that to work, we have to transition from the traditional paper manual records to the digital environment. And that's why digitization and paperless information management becomes key. We are legislating so that going forward, only properly trained and properly accredited people will be entrusted with managing records. Obviously, the number will increase as the need increases. As organizations expand, today you know every department, let's say in organization, almost every organization have records management departments or record management officers. So that will keep growing as and when the need also expands.
We continue to enhance the digital platforms to ensure accessibility for all citizens across the country.
Tugethie na mbere ni ati mundurume umwe uria wahonokirie gikuo ciarera mutino-ini wa Ituika itura-ini ria Kipkenda ward-ini ya Emso county-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet ni ataririe uria Ngai amuhonokirie Kelvin Kiplagat wa ukuru wa miaka 30 ataririe uria aumire nyumba ndagika nyinyi tu mbere ya nyumba yao gukorwo ikiguthwo ni mahiga ma Matuika augite uria nyina wa ukuru wa miaka 67 rodumwe na mwana munyinyi makwirire nyumba-ini mutino-ini ucio hatari na uteithio augiahotire kumateithia.
Ilikuwa mwendo wa saa 1:30 wakati mambo ili happen. Nilikuwa kwa nyumba nikawacha wakitengeneza 7 kumali nikasema wacha niende nioke kutoka hata sikuoka. Nilitoka tu, niliingia tu kwa nyumba, kutoka nje nikasikia ngurumo. Kuangalia hivi nyumbani imekuwa ni mao kubwa ndio imeshuka. Nikakimbia nikasema wacha niende niangalie kama kuna watu. Nikasema wacha nione kama watu wako. Kuangalia hakuna mtu. Ikabidi sasa nitafute mtoto. Nione kama mtoto nitapata tu mtoto peke yake juu au wengine nilikuwa najua penye walikuwa nakaa na penye hiyo mawe imechimba ni hapo penye watu walikuwa. Nikasema wacha nitafute mtoto kwa sababu kuna penye alikuwa analala kando kidogo. Ndio nikapata sasa mtoto na nikajua hao wengine wako tena. Huyo mtoto mwingine alikuwa anakula saba. Walikuwa na kokoto. Ni mwenye alikuwa analala kwa kando. Sasa huyo ndio mawe ilipepa madras ikapepa juu, alafu mabati ikafunika. So nilipata tu mtoto, nikasema acha niende nibadilishie manguo kwa sababu mchanga ilikuwa imemfunika. Kwa sasa akili yangu nyumbani ni kama haitakuwa mahali pa kuishi tena. Haitakuwa mahali pa kuishi kwa sababu ile yenye imetokea huko sio rahisi. Uweze chua mawe yenye iko huko juu inaweza toka tena wakati kane.
Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC yandikithitie ikari a kura 90,920 gukinyeria riu ithabu riria ni inyinyi muno ukiringithanio na itanya ria aikia a kura milioni 3.8 guothe bururi-ini. Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya IEBC Erastus Ethekon ni ataririe kwaga kuiganira gwake na ithabu riu, akiuga ati kaunti ya Mombasa niyo yandikithitie aikia a kura anini muno ikiringithanio na itanya. Ethekon augite ati maratanya gukinya kuandikithia aikia a kura 100,000 gukinyeria muthia wa kiumia giki.
They normally say numbers don't lie. We have given you the statistics, we have given you the projections, we have given you the current status. Out of a target of 183, as currently things stand, we have 3,976, which is way below completely. So we are also hoping, I've heard your concerns regarding the national ID issuance, the rate at which the young people are accessing these national IDs, which are requirement for us to register you. We will also speak to the National National Registration Bureau to fast track the issuance of these documents to the young people so that they can be registered.
As we speak, this country, youth actually has the biggest proportion. So today, if you wanted to make change, you can actually be able to make change. I will leave the issue of statistics to my chairperson, but I want to say that youth, you have the power to make any meaningful change in this country. And in order for you to do that, you have to have your voice to be heard. The only way your voice can be heard is through the ballot, not fighting. You can't go to the street and achieve what you want to achieve. You need to go to the ballot and make sure that you achieve your objective.
We will continue to mobilize the youth because they constitute roughly 56% of the expected voters during the next election. We were just having a discussion. Wa vijana peke yake, we are looking at youth from 18 to 35. They make up, if the numbers that have been given to us, they make up over 56% of those that will go to vote. So youth alone can give us a winner, can decide which way to go, even if everyone else votes. But if the youth decide to come out in numbers, they can be the decision makers. That is why we want to concentrate on the youth, and we are urging them to come out, because all the noise you've been making for the last 1 or 2 years, you know, this time with your voter's card, you can actually make sure that whatever you wanted to see is going to happen through that ballot, polling day.
Na riboti yo igie wikia wa kura igukorwo igitwe mweke wa guikiria kwa ndagika oro nini, ndugathi harani tugucokereria tukumenyithia mangi maingi.
Ino ni station ya KIHEOTV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, station ya radio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire. O muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano, tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini. thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitane na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Riũa rĩa Wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgatereva na kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ũkanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco. Tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgũkinyĩra o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu yũkĩte na nditi nene mũno makĩria. Rĩu tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ũgĩterevwo na your number 1 microphone commander Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Kawa marĩ hamwe na Women Rep Susan Wangoro
atũthiĩte wega aste
ĩrĩ gũkinyagira kwambĩrĩria thaa 5 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu ĩrĩ na mwarahũko wa magegania mathaa merĩ ma rwĩmbo tu mwago ũtangĩtigĩka. Hihi nĩ ũrĩ waikio ngono nĩ abithaa wa birithi na ndũmenya kũnyitĩra kĩ? Atĩrĩrĩ, nĩ ũĩ ihoto ciaku na hihi nĩ ũĩ atĩ wagi wa ũmenyo ndũngĩkũgitĩra kĩwatho?
Gatiba na watho wa bũrũri irabatara ũtaũku wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ. Ona kũrĩ ũguo nĩ tũrĩkoragwo na gĩikaro na mawakiri matiganĩte tũngĩkũhe mweke wa gũkũrana ũrĩa watho ugĩte igũrũ rĩgiĩ ihoto ciaku, na oho tũgagũthomithia maũndũ marĩa ũbatiĩ na ũtabatiĩ gwĩka kĩwatho. Tũgagũteithia gũthathaũra ũrĩa watho ũroiga ũhoro-inĩ wĩgiĩ ũramati na ũgai wa indo, wandĩki wa will na ũrĩhi wa magoti gatagatĩ ka mangĩ maingĩ.
For the first time nĩ tũkũreheire tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo ĩgĩkuruhania maũndũ maya mothe. Tabarĩra ĩno ya mwanya ũkareherwo nĩ Francis Wairura. Nĩ o mũthenya wa kana ga kiumia thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ gũkũ gwa Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩtwacokereria ngũnyita ũgeni kereka-inĩ rĩa kerĩ tũthiĩ na mbere na gũkũmenyithia na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ rũhonge rwa kũramata ndawa cia mĩmera rwa PCPB nĩ rwambĩkĩte mũngũrũrio wa kũhũrana na ndawa cia mathara gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Mount Kenya. Rũhonge rũu nĩ rũhithũkĩtie ndawa cia mũigana wa ciringi 600,000 kaunti-inĩ cia Embu, Meru, oro ũndũ ũmwe na kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi. Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa rũhonge rũu Lawrence Kalawa augĩte mũngũrũrio ũcio no ũgũthiĩ na mbere nĩguo gũthaitĩra agũri a ndawa cia mĩmera.
Zile ndawa ziko hapa mbele yetu leo kwa upande wa ukulima wa crops ni za counterfeits. Zile zingine ambazo zi registered nyingi ni kutoka upande wale tunaita public health products, na hizo tumepata jana na ile tunaita street value ya 600,000 Kenya shillings, na ninatangaza kwamba hii msako itaendelea, na kuna kikundi kwa hapa sehemu ya Embu, Tharaka Nithi na Meru, na kuna kikundi kingine ziko sehemu zingine za Kenya, na tunafuatilia wale wote ambao wanahusika na hii biashara ya ndawa haramu. Tutafika kwao hivi karibuni. Onyo ni kwamba kwa sababu wanazifahamu, na nimeelezea pia wasiwasi waziondoe kabla tufike pale, kwa sababu adhabu ni kubwa. Leo tumeshika watu kadhaa na watafika mahakamani hivi karibuni na sheria itachukua mkondo wake. Kwa wakati huu sasa yule tunaita short range lower eastern, tunatarajia kupata ndawa mingi za counterfeit sehemu hii, na ndio sababu tumekuja pande ili tuweze kuzuia zisifikie wakulima wazotaharibu yale mazao tunatarajia kutoka mashamba yetu, kwa sababu counterfeit haifanyi kazi, ni kitu ya ambayo si ndawa.
Kogena kuo mihango ya urigiti kaunti-ini ya Siaya ni thararite kahinda-ini ga ciumia mugwanja riu na one kurumirira mugomo wa manathi uria uthiite na mbere na gwakiriria ngwataniro ya manathi bururi-ini yukirire thirikari ya kaunti iyo nikire yugite ni gukorwo makimairiria ukinyaniria wa ngirimiti iria ciekaniriirwo na igikirwo kirore. Mwandiki munene wa NAT ruhonge-ini rwa Siaya Kennedy Hamisi no okirire thirikari ya kaunti ya Siaya ni gutwara cira ucio igoti-ini guku manathi riu makiuria gavana wa kaunti iyo James Orengo gukorwo akiingirira na gutwithania ndugamano iria ikoretwo kuo.
Nurses viva! Viva! Viva Nurses viva! Viva! Solidarity! Viva! My name is Kennedy Hamisi. I'm the secretary for the Kenya National Union of Nurses, Siaya branch. We are here today. This is day 49 since our strike began, and it's ongoing. We don't know when it will end. So we are again here at the employers' compound requesting that they implement our issues, the grievances that we brought forth on the table, so that our nurses can resume their duties. It is also surprising that while demonstrating so that our issues can be implemented, the employer has resorted to intimidations. There's some time back, we were beaten here with goons. And again, on Friday, the employer decided to take us to court over issues that they are much aware of. They should only implement our issues so that we can resume our duties. But our members here have advised us, we've remained resilient, we are very strong, and we are going to face the employer when we go there in the Employment and Labor Relations Court at Kisumu. So we want to call upon the employer, much as there are also intimidations that are ongoing. Can they implement our issues so that we can have permanent resolution of these issues that will see nurses resuming their duties? The community is suffering, patients are suffering, and the county government is also suffering in terms of low revenue. So let them consider this issue very serious. Thank you. They've taken us to court in argument that we are offering essential services, that we should not be on strike. So we ask ourselves, why then did they come into an agreement with our union so that we can always agitate for our rights? We are agitating for our rights because we have got an agreement with the county government of Siaya, with the Kenya National Union of Nurses and Midwives, countrywide. There are a number of issues that they are trying to convince the court to consider our strike illegal. Our strike is not illegal because we've done all the necessary legal requirements until when we reach resolve to go for strike.
Na riboti yo kuma kaunti-ini ya Siaya niyo igukorwo igituithiraniria thiini wa Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe na mangi maingi ciehanda wega thaa 3 ta uria meguthii na mbere na gutukinyira. Twacokia ngatho cia manyari tondu wa kunyitanira hamwe na ithui na twakikorwo twina mutwathiriri na njira cikwa Mbui wa Gakuni njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani gakwendithiria wiroreri mwega wa tabarĩra citu iria irathii na mbere orothii na mbere na kwagirirwo ni mahinda.